Are you tired of spending your precious time scrubbing, sweeping, and dusting? Let Clever Cleaning Services whisk away your cleaning worries. We're here to transform your space into a spotless heaven.
We offer several types of cleaning services, such as residential cleaning, move in and out, commercial cleaning, post-construction, deep cleaning, offices, retail spaces, and more and more.
Imagine a home that sparkles with pristine cleaning and a welcoming fragrance. Our services bring that dream to life. Our competitive pricing makes the cleaning accessible to all. Let Clever Cleaning Services redefine your cleaning experience. Give us a call at the phone number on the screen or visit www.clevercleanings.com to book your cleaning appointment today.
Clever Cleaning Services. Don't get stressed. We'll handle the mess. Think Clever.